So let's get into the concept of supply chain management to start with. Very very fundamental thing about supply chain management. So what is supply chain management? एक basic example लेते हैं. So let's say there is a manufacturer and there is a customer. How does the business work? Starting point क्या होता है? The customer places an order on the manufacturer or a trader, whosoever. So there is a customer, there is a manufacturer, and the customer places an order on the manufacturer, which we call as information flow. Customer ने manufacturer को एक order दी. Now, what does the manufacturer do? He manufactures the products or picks up that product from the inventory and then ships that product to the customer. So that's called the product flow. कस्टमर ने मैन्युफैक्चरर को ऑर्डर दिया, मैन्युफैक्चरर ने अपनी इन्वेंट्री से वो प्रोडक्ट शिप किया कस्टमर को, या उसको बना के मैन्युफैक्चरर ने शिप किया उस प्रोडक्ट को, एंड दैट्स कॉल्ड द प्रोडक्ट फ्लो. What finally happens is, once the customer receives the product, the customer makes a payment to the manufacturer. So this is a general business flow. When customer makes a payment to the manufacturer, it's called cash flow. So supply chain management, in simple terms, is about managing these three flows: the product flow, the information flow, and the cash flow. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. So supply chain management is about managing these three flows: product flow, information flow, and cash flow. जो इसमें product flow है, that is nothing but logistics. So logistics is equal to product flow. Supply chain management is about product flow plus information flow plus cash flows. Right? Information flow need not be restricted to just placing the order. आपस में इनका इंटरेक्शन होगा, क्या प्राइस होगा, then कब तक मिलेगा, then the order is dispatched, उसका इंफॉर्मेशन जाएगा. When customer makes a payment, there would be an information flow. When the product is dispatched, there would be an information flow. So it's not just, they don't work in silos. They don't work in silos. So this entire system of managing these three flows, the product flow, information flow, and cash flow, is called supply chain management. The product flow alone is basically your logistics piece, right? So as I said, the combination of product flow, information flow, and cash flow make up a supply chain. The organization and management of product flow is known as logistics. So I have tried to put it all together in a very, very simplistic way. There could be scenarios when there is a reverse flow also. So when the manufacturer is also providing a lot of information to the customer. The customer is returning back the product to the manufacturer, and if there is a return, the cash flow also needs to be reversed, so from manufacturer back to the customer. So these are called exceptional cycles. So there is a forward cycle, there is a reverse cycle, exceptional cycle. Right? So these are more of exceptions, but yes, when we are managing supply chains, it need not be just the forward flow. It needs to also manage the reverse flow. Right?